Hello students, myself Utpal Madhu, Assistant Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today I shall discuss about atomic packing factor or APF. Now atomic packing factor or packing efficiency indicates how closely atoms are packed in a unit cell and is given by the ratio of volume of atoms in the unit cell and volume of the unit cell. Now APF for simple cubic crystal structure is 0.52. For body-centered cubic, it is 0.68. For face-centered cubic and hexagonal closed pack, it is 0.74. It indicates that compactness of atoms in FCC and HCP crystals is more compared to simple cubic or BCC crystals. Now, atomic packing factor for FCC crystal. This is three-dimensional view of FCC crystals where there are 8 corner atoms and 6 face atoms. Now each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells and one face atom is shared by 2 unit cells. So total number of atoms inside this unit cell is 8 into 1/8 plus 6 into half, that is 1 plus 3, that is 4. So total volume of atoms inside this unit cell is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, where 4 by 3 pi r cube is volume of one atom. Now the relationship between R and the cell side A is root 2A is equal to 4R. So length of this diagonal, it is equal to R plus 2R plus R, that is 4R, which is equivalent to root 2 into A. So we can say APF for FCC crystal is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. Now if we replace R with A, then finally we will get APF for FCC is equal to 0.74. Now for BCC crystal, total number of atoms inside this unit cell is equal to 2. There are 8 corner atoms and 1 center atom. So 8 into 1/8 plus 1, that is equal to 2. And relationship between R and A is root 3A is equal to 4R. Now APF for BCC is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube, and if we replace R with A, then finally we will get APF for BCC is equal to 0.68. Now for FCC crystals, there are 12 corner atoms, 2 phase atoms and 3 center atoms. Now these corner atoms are shared by 6 unit cells, so 12 into 1/6 plus for 2 phase atoms it is 2 into half, it is shared by 2 unit cells plus 3 center atoms. So it is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 6, and relationship between A and R is equal to A is equal to 2R. Now the volume of this unit cell is equal to area of this base into height. So area of this base is equal to 6 into area of this triangle into C, that is equal to volume of this hexagon. Now for hexagonal crystal C by A, this ratio is equal to 1.633. So APF of HCP crystal is equal to 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of this unit cell, and by calculating this we will get it is equal to 0.74. So thank you for patient sharing.